Okay guys, by the end of this video, you should be able to have built this, right? This is a widget that can live on a website, but we can of course deploy these onto mobile phone numbers and landline numbers accordingly. For this use case, we're going to be putting onto a website. Now, first thing we should discuss, why would you consider putting something like this on a website, right? Well, if you think about it at the moment, right? If I go to my website here, I have a chatbot, okay? I've got a chatbot and it's fine, it does the job. But sometimes clients miss this. Sometimes customers miss out on this. They don't really see it, or it's not in their face enough, right? But as you're scrolling down this and you suddenly see, oh, wow, interesting, right? Call. What happens? Let's hit the call button, right? What ends up happening is that, the customer thinks, okay, let's give it a shot, right? So we do. And then what ends up happening is this.
Hey there, thanks for viewing our website.
Hey, how's it going?
Hello, I'm Amy, the AI Solutions Advisor at ATech Design Solutions. How can I assist you today?
Excellent. Well, look, I'm just, I run a real estate agency myself, and I was looking into your solutions, and I'm quite interested in the phone agent side of things, actually.
That's great to hear. Our AI phone agents can really streamline your operations and enhance customer interactions. They're designed to handle calls, provide information, and even schedule appointments, freeing up your team for more strategic tasks. Would you like me to provide more details on how our AI phone agents work and the benefits they can bring to your real estate agency?
Yeah, I mean that would be good, but I think maybe I can just consult with someone or something. Maybe I could, yeah. Is there anyone I could talk to about that?
Absolutely. I can provide you with detailed information about our AI phone agents and how they can benefit your real estate agency. Additionally, we offer an AI readiness workshop where you can consult with our experts to tailor AI solutions specifically to your business needs. This workshop is a great opportunity to discuss your requirements in detail and explore the best options for integrating AI into your operations. Would you be interested in learning more about this workshop?
Yeah, that would be good actually. So as you can see, this solution is extremely powerful for businesses, right? And it's kind of self-explanatory as to why. I'm not going to go into too much detail, but if you go to a business and say, look, I'll deploy a voice agent that lives on your website, people can make calls on it left, right, and center, know anything and everything about your business, and then bang, you close the sale, right? How powerful is that? Okay, so let's get straight into how to building it. All right, it's very, very simple. So you will need a Synthflow account. If you don't have a Synthflow account, that's no problem at all. I do have a link in the description box below that you guys can use to sign up. It will look a bit different to what this is right now because this is my white labeled version. So I'm on the agency plan, and what that allows me to do is create accounts for my clients, and I have my own custom domain here. So for you, it will say finetuner.ai, but for me, it says atechdesignSolutions.com because again, I put it on my own domain. So if you're an agency owner, automation agency owner, you can literally white label this and have a platform where your clients can sign up, you onboard them through your platform, and they can completely self-serve themselves in terms of creating agents, or you can deploy it for them. They can monitor it and tweak it themselves. You can see all the stats. And the coolest part is that they can also upgrade their own pricing whenever they want because it's your own SaaS, right? So it's a very, very cool solution for AI automation agency owners looking to branch out into the voice agent kind of thing. All right, would highly recommend Synthflow. And again, links in the description box below for everything we use in this video. Cool. So what we're going to do here is I did make one called Lucy, but we're going to delete that one here and we're going to make a new one fresh from scratch. To create a new agent, very simple. Just go to create assistant. We can choose what kind of assistant we want here. They do offer text-based as well. What we are more interested in is the voice side of things. So we can do outbound calls. We can make inbound calls. We can have batch calling, so we can literally call 100 numbers every single minute. How powerful is that? What we're interested in today is the widget side of things. So select that, and we get introduced to this configure stage. So we enter the company name. So in this case, it will be Hap Properties. Call this Jessica. And we can select the voice, right? So you do have the option of these pre-built voices and pre-trained voices that you have, but you can connect your 11 Labs account API and you can use their voices as well. I quite like this sound of Sarah, so I'm just going to select that off the bat. You'll hear what she sounds like in a sec. And here you can choose the assistant's language. Synthflow has just announced they are updating their language models as well. So you can soon be able to do French, Arabic, a few other languages as well. In this case, we're going to do Australia. And the AI model that we can select from here is D4, 3.5 Turbo. Llama 3 is also a new one, but I do recommend the Synthflow LLM simply because it's their own fine-tuned model or version of GPT. It does respond the best in my personal opinion. This is a really cool feature here, guys. So the custom vocabulary side of things, you can add certain words that commonly used in your business that the AI may not be aware of, and then it can just use that to improve the accuracy and the recognition of said words. So if I was creating a assistant for me, I would say, zapiermake.com, company name, the tools that we use, and etc. So that's pretty much that. And we have the custom greeting here, of course. So this is every time the call is answered, the agent will say this. We have the patience level here. This is probably the second most important part of this whole setup. So the level of the speed, right, of the response. Low is obviously, 1 second response. So it's like, hey, I'm good, thanks, how are you? Yeah, well, thanks, right? That kind of thing. Medium would be like, can I ask for your contact details, please? Sure. 0479, etc. And high conversations would be like, not those kind of high conversations, but it would be on the level of the consulting side of things, or if the customer's talking a lot, the AI is talking a lot, and then the customer's just listening, and the patience level would be considered high, right? So around 5 seconds. In my experience, I like to use around the medium side. You guys can play around with that however you wish. I think we're ready to move on to the next step, which is, of course, the most important step, guys, the prompting, all right? So without this, you have no agent, you have no system, you have nothing. So this is a example of what the prompt should look like. What Synthflow recommends. Of course, by no means am I saying that, Synthflow don't know what they're doing. Please don't take this the wrong way. And they do have very good templates that you can use and just editing around. Have some really, really good templates for that. Right, and they also do have their own Copilot version, so you can, provide information or ask you questions, and it can craft the prompt for you. However, right, sometimes, because this is still beta stages, it's V1, and things don't perform the way you want it to. So what we have done here at ATech AI is we've crafted 3 different ways that you guys can use our prompt tool that we use in-house. For those people that use ChatGPT Plus, for those people that can't afford using ChatGPT Plus at the moment, we have a paid version using ChatGPT Plus. We have a free version which is using Agentive, and we also have a all-in-one solution that just fill out the information through the Google form, enter your email address, and we'll email you the prompt directly. It really depends on what kind of use case, what your comfortability is at the moment with these kind of solutions. But all 3 options are going to be linked in the description box below for you. So this is what the Synthflow prompt GPT looks like, right? You can just say here, for example, be a dummy prompt for real estate agency, choose the name of the assistant, right? And now it's sorting that out for me, right? So I can go ahead and do that. Come over to the Agentive side of things. I can also do that here. This is the Agentive version. And again, if you don't know what Agentive is, it's a software as a service, fantastic platform actually, that's created by Leah Motley and his team at Morningside AI. Agentive is designed to be a prototyping tool for GPTs that you can just use, test, and deploy whenever you wish on demand, right? Without having to rely on OpenAI service too much. This is a fantastic tool to showcase and demo. So let's go, agent name, Jessica, map properties. I'm just writing it like this. You don't have to write it like this. Purpose is going to be inbound customer qualifier, tone, friendly yet empathetic, and then we go influence, Grant Cardone. You put this kind of information in, and then it'll just spit it out for you like that. Alternatively, you can just use this form that I have here as well. Just enter in all the information here, and we'll send you an email with the tailored prompt, right? And if you want to know how I actually automated this process as well using the Google form to automatically send you guys the emails out, I'll post that video on my LinkedIn, which will be linked in the description box below as well. Fantastic. So let's go ahead and do that here. By all means, this is not a one-size-fits-all solution, or this is a set and forget type of thing. This is just a guideline for you guys to work upon. You have to keep refining these as you see fit. I can give you all the tools in the world to do anything in the world, right? But the fact is that you'll do something different. You'll do one thing that's different to how I do it, and that becomes your thing, right? That's really all businesses as well, if you look at it. So with that being said, use this as a guideline, but also work on top of it, all right? Don't just completely rely on the tools and things that we're giving you. You need to add your own flair, your own twist, your own personalized touch, right? Because every person's different, and that's the beauty about being human, all right? Cool. So in here, so role, hello, this is Jessica from Hat Properties, whatever. Maybe the role was not written out properly here, but you guys get the idea. I'll make sure by the time this video is uploaded that prompting will be actually sorted out. So that is fantastic. We can go next here. Or actually, as a matter of fact, we can transition to test this out. So let's see how it goes.
Hey there, how can I assist you?
I'm just looking at some properties.
That's fantastic to hear. You've come to the right place at Hat Properties. I'm Jessica, and I'm here to help you find your dream property. Could you share a bit about what you're looking for in a property?
Yeah, sure. Something nice for my family of 4, probably a 5-bedroom house, a swimming pool, and a bit of a nice balcony would be good as well.
That sounds wonderful. A 5-bedroom house with a swimming pool and a balcony would be perfect for your family of 4. At Hat Properties, we have some amazing listings that might just fit what you're looking for.
So you get the idea, right? So that works now, no worries at all. So that's literally it. The agent's done, right? The agent has been built. So we just go next, and then now we get to configure our campaign, and we can select a maximum daily budget. We'll go through pricing and all that stuff in just a second, guys. But once we finish this off here, it's all done, right? You literally made the agent. It was that easy. There was no code, there's no connecting external tools, nothing. It's just done. You've literally made it. What do you do from here? Well, as eagle-eyed viewers would have already seen, there is an embed code here. So we can literally just copy this over and paste it in. I already had a container with a div ready to go because I'm proactive like that. And we give this a quick refresh. Bang, we're done. Ready to go. Jessica is there.
Hey there, how can I assist you?
Hey, Jessica, how's it going?
Hello? I'm doing great, thank you for asking. How about you? How can I assist you today?
Perfect. So that's all ready to go, deployed onto a website, ready to go. Customers happy, you're happy, everyone's happy. Just stay happy. All right, it's as simple as that. Now, whilst making this is so easy, there is some fundamentals that we need to understand. So in order to make these prompts work for you, you need to understand how to prompt, right? So I don't want to go too much in detail into this video because there's already some amazing resources out there on YouTube with content related to this exact topic. So what I will do instead is I will link those videos in the description box below as well, because I really don't want to steal their thunder and their insights, because, you know, people like Liam Otley and Liam Evans, Brendan AI Automation as well, these guys are fantastic in the space right now, and they really know what they're doing. So link their videos in the description box below. This is literally it, guys. It was so easy. This is probably not even going to be a 10-minute video, right? So there's no excuses here. Anyone can do this, right? Question is, are you going to do it? I guess time will tell. So for now, thank you so much for watching. If you do like this video, please do consider leaving a like and subscribing. I will be posting out more content soon. And all links are in the description for all the tools that I've used, everything that I've made. And if you guys want to work with us, feel free to go to atechds.com and sign up for our new AI readiness workshop. We're more than happy to work with you there. Excellent. Cool. Until we meet again, guys, thank you so much.